AI going to replace journalists? You know, is AI going to replace people that are working in production? And we quite often say, no, it's not. It will replace people that don't know how to use AI, and it will replace people that use AI far too much, where, you know, if you can do that job on AI, then so can I. But people that use AI to elevate their skills, people that use AI to perhaps offload admin stuff and actually use that, take that time back to use towards more cognitive, more creative work, we've found that in media to be the most successful models. Assel, same question goes to you.
I want to make sure you all have a chance to ask questions, so I'll be quick. So what is important? I work a lot. One of my biggest use cases outside of education is media literacy. So both broadcasting corporations, media broadcasting, right, all over the world, especially in Asia. So I'd love to actually, any educators, media people in the room collaborate. So what is very important for a media person? How you perceive information. And at the first point, when you look at the information, to think, is it true or not? It is very important because we need to make sure that in the years ahead, what looks real is not real for you, because you have the guardrails inbuilt in you as an ethical journalist to make sure that you, as a first point of contact with the rest of the world, provide fact-checked information. So let alone all large language models and tech companies, this is their job and their red teams to make sure this is reliable information. But then, at the human level, you have so much power as a journalist and media professional. So I'm really rooting for you and hope, you know, you will use AI wisely, but do use it responsibly in your profession.
Do we have maybe one or two questions before we close off?